you two champions, welcome to day 18 of 21 days challenge to get 95% in your second PUC board exam. So as part of today's challenge, I have given you two chapters for revision. The first one is 3D geometry from maths and the second one is dual nature of radiation and matter from physics. So you have to revise these two chapters and practice its most important questions from the PDF I have provided. If you haven't downloaded yet, the link is there in the description section. Click on the link, visit the page and download the most important questions PDF and practice these questions. Now in this video, we are going to discuss the most important questions from the chapter 3D geometry. Okay, so before discussing the questions, let's have a glance on the blueprint of this particular chapter. So it has a weightage of 6 marks. So there will be one 1-marker question, one 2-marker question and one 3-marker question. Now, before moving ahead with the questions, something very important for all of you. So KCET 2026 examination is very close. And if you really want to get a top rank in KCET, then only studying will not help you. You need to write tests, analyze and work on your weak areas. And for this, you need a perfect test series. So to help you with this, I have launched the Fighter KCET 2026 test series, which is designed by KCET experts and is based on KCET exam pattern and syllabus. And here you will get total 18 full-length mock tests, 6 each from physics, chemistry and maths, detailed solutions, video solutions for chemistry and a detailed analysis report after every test. Now this will help you to analyze your weak areas and to improve on it. And the best part is all these things are available at a very affordable price of just rupees 399. So if you want to purchase it, the link is there in the description section. Now let's move towards the most important questions. First, we'll talk about the 2-marker question. Find the vector and the Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point 5, 2, minus 4 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 8k. This is a model question paper question as well. Now find the angle between a pair of lines x plus 3 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 5 is equal to z plus 3 by 4 and x plus 1 by 1 equal to y minus 4 by 1 equal to z minus 5 by 2. Next, find the angle between the pair of lines r equal to 3i plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda equal to lambda into I plus 2j plus 2k and r equal to 5i minus 2j plus mu into 3i plus 2j plus 6k. You have to find the angle between these two pair of lines. Next, find the angle between the pair of lines, this particular vector and this particular vector. So question number 3 and 4 is pretty similar, only the values are different. Find the value of k so that the lines x minus 1 by minus 3 equal to y minus 2 by 2k equal to z minus 3 by 2 and x minus 1 by 3k equal to y minus 1 by 1 and z equal to z minus 6 by minus 5 are at right angles. Next, find the distance between the line L1 and L2 given by r cap is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k and r equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k plus mu equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. You have to find the distance between these two lines. Now let's see 3-marker question. Derive the equation of the line in space passing through the point and parallel to the vector in the vector form or in the Cartesian form. So this question has been repeated so many times in the previous year question. So please prepare this question thoroughly. Next, find the distance between L1 and L2 whose vector equations are given to you. Next, find the distance between the lines r is equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda into I minus j plus k and r equal to 2i minus j minus k plus mu into 2i plus j plus 2k. Next, find the equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k, both are in the vector and in the Cartesian form. Find the shortest distance between the line x plus 1 by 7 equal to y plus 1 by 6 equal to z plus 1 by 1 and x minus 3 by 1 equal to y minus 5 by minus 2 equal to z minus 7 by 1. Okay, you have to find the distance between these two lines. Next, we will have PYQs March 2024 examination 1. Find the angle between x by 2 equal to y by 2 equal to z by 1 and x minus 5 by 4 equal to y minus 2 by 1 equal to z minus 3 by 8. Now here you can see derive the equation of a line in space through a given point and parallel to a given vector both in the vector and Cartesian form. Now March 2024 examination 2, again here you have been given with two lines and you have to find the angle between these two lines. Next, in March 2024 examination 3, here also there are two lines, this one and this one. Here you have to find the distance between the lines. Next, you can see again the same question, derive the equation of a line in space through a point and parallel to a given vector both in the vector and Cartesian form. So you can see this question has been repeated so many times. So yes, definitely you have to prepare it thoroughly. March 2023 examination, here you have to find the angle between these two lines and find the distance between the given two lines. Okay. Now we'll talk about model question paper 1. Find the angle. So this question number 28 is from section number B, which is 2 mark. Okay, and find the angle between the pair of lines. So two lines are given and you have to find the angle between them. And you can see again in question number 37, derive the equation of the line in space passing through the point and parallel in the vector form. Okay, here it is asked only vector form. Now model question paper 2, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point 5, 2, minus 4 and parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 8k. Next, find the distance between the lines. So here there is a line given and here there is a line given. You have to find the distance between them. So this is your section B2 marker and this is section C3 marker. Okay, and here also the second question 37 is section C3 marker. Now moving to the Okay, just a minute. Now moving to the next question, model question paper 3, find the value of k. Sorry, just select pen. Find the value of k so that the lines this one and this one are at right angle. This is again in section B, which is 2 marker. Next we have find the distance between the lines L1 and L2 whose vector equations are r equal to I plus j plus lambda into 2i minus j plus k and r equal to 2i plus j minus k plus mu into 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Okay, so this is your model question paper 3 and this part is your 3-mark question. Okay, so children, these are the most important questions and you can see almost similar types of questions are asked. Find the distance between the lines, angle between the lines, and find the value of k so that the two lines are at right angles. And then there is a question where you have to prove that it is in the vector form, Cartesian form. So such type of 5-6 varieties of questions are only there in this particular chapter. So once again, I just want to repeat, KCET 2026 fighter test series is live now. If you want to achieve a top rank, then this test series should be there in your resource list, and if you want to purchase, it is available at a affordable price of just rupees 399. So the link is there in the description section. Click on the link, purchase the test series and start your preparation as soon as possible. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the next video of the challenge, and all the best.